Alright, I got this template or contour gauge fitting. I'm happy with it. It's good enough for what I need. There's a little gap about where my thumb is there, but that's okay. It's going to give me a pretty good indication of what the curve has to be. I'm a little bit, I don't know if you can see that sudden, put this down here, right there where my thumb is, how it suddenly turns in there. I don't think that is necessarily the factory contour. These rocker panels have been replaced. And if you come back here to the back of the car, and if I put that on there like that, you can see, look, see that? See that big gap? I think the guy that put these rocker panels on tucked them in too far on the bottom. So that front contour should match this, and it doesn't. So I'm gonna have to match the rocker panel, unless I want to cut the rocker panel out, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna have to match that shape to the fender to get it to fit nicely against the rocker here. So this will have a bit more of a bend than it would have from the factory. But like I say, I don't want to cut this loose here and pull it out. My customer already had these rocker panels replaced at one point. So I just think the guy, he pushed this in too far here. Push this in. This is running in too close to the inside. So it's unfortunate, but yeah. And I mean, it looks pretty good on the door to fender or door to rocker transition, but when you've got this template here and you can really see that, sudden turn there. I think it should be flatter like the rear quarter panel is. But anyways, we'll make it look good. This car is not getting a rotisserie restoration by any means. We just want to make it look nice and preserve it for years to come. So just keep going here.